Hello everyone, it's just Ryan here. It is July 27, 2025, 5:56 in the evening. So I got a from Facebook Marketplace for $5 or for nothing, yeah, for about $5. It's a Jazz DV 151 digital camcorder. I got my SD card plugged in already. You can see it's a micro SD too, but I got the extension for it. So here we go. Press and hold. There we go, guys. So now I can do YouTube videos from this camcorder. Really cool. Here we go. So now it's ready to record here. There's all the functions right there. Record. Yeah, ready to record. There you go, guys. 3 hours left.